Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Craft. And what's going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Before we get started, guys, I'm going to need you to hit that like button. Now, I'm going to need you to hit that like button only if you're going to like what you see. But I really need you to hit that like button. And I need you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And come back as many times as you like. Yes, my mother asked me, can I do this? And I said, oh, yes, ma'am, we can. So these are just some of the ingredients that I'm using. Now, you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use Miracle Whip to give it a kind of a little bit sweet taste. Some people put sugar. I'm not going to put sugar, so that's where the Miracle Whip come in. And I'm going to use mayonnaise, and I'm probably going to use that whole jar. And I have some toward the back that you guys can't see that I'm going to use that. Now we need to use as much mayonnaise as possible because those pasta shells right there, they eat up mayonnaise. I mean, it's like best friends. They love each other, so they eat off each other. And so we do not want it dry, so we're going to use that real mayonnaise there to help it out. We're going to need just a little bit of yellow mustard and some of that sweet relish over there. Do you see that back there? Ah, yeah, you see that. And then here's our crab meat. Let's check this out. Let's see. Oh, yes, ma'am. Can we take a little piece right now? Let's try it. Oh, yeah. I'm going to cover that back up right now. Then we're going to need, that's our lettuce. This is our celery. We're going to use that I'm going to cut those up for dipping purposes only. And then I put, this is the avocado. We're going to put some avocados in there, guys. And then this right here is my mixture. Now, in this mixture, we have some Sorrentos, I believe, some lettuce, some tomatoes. We have, what else we have in here? Green peppers, red peppers, and we also have the leaves from the celery in the bottom. And yeah, let's check that out, guys. We're gonna use this up, and we're gonna have some fun doing it. And another thing you guys are gonna need, some shrimps, which I have here. And I'm gonna go with camera, and these are already cooked. So all I'm gonna do is just cut them up, dice them up, because I do not want to put the whole shrimp in there. I want as much shrimp as possible, so whenever you take a dip, you're gonna get a shrimp. So I'm gonna cut it probably in 3, right? So we're gonna cut it here, and I'm going to pull that tail off. And so we're going to cut it in 3. That way, everybody who dip or use a cracker or whatever it is, they can get some of this shrimp. Guys, we're going to get started. I put the water on for my pasta. And so once I start boiling, and that is done, we're going to come back and we're going to mix all of this great stuff. Oh my goodness, we're going to mix it all together, and we're going to have us a salad. So guys, what we're doing now is we're cutting up the celery to prepare to put in our crab salad. I'm just going to dump them in my bowl. I'm going to keep it moving. This is some of the seasoning that we're going to mix with our salad, our pasta salad. I'm going to use the garlic powder, the garlic and pepper, the Old Bay. We're going to use some of that Himalaya salt in the back. Yeah, now this is okay. What we're going to do now is we're going to put the noodles inside a large bowl. The next thing I want to do is I want to put my shrimp inside. Now this is really no order. You guys can do it however you want, because we want to have enough crab and shrimp to go with every bite. So we can't leave it. We can't leave the crab meat whole if that's what we're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to toss this around, right? Just like that. You see the inside of that? Just a little toss. Because we got so many other things that got to go in there. I'm just going to put some so we, like I said, everything can be coated. And if I wait to the end, I'm afraid that everything is not going to be coated. I am going to put some more. So we're going to just add the garlic powder now. Now this, I'm not going to put any more. So I'm going to dump as much as I want right now. We're going to put some black pepper. Then guess what I'm going to go in with? A little bit more of black pepper and garlic. This is not this is garlic salt. I'm going to add a little bit of Himalaya salt. Just a little. We're going to do a mixture again. I'm going to put my lettuce now. I need a bigger bowl. Wow. Looking good. Everything is mixed in. Now this is where the fun begins. All these beautiful colors. Just check out those beautiful colors. Just check them out. All those beautiful colors mixed in. This is a salad, guys. This is a salad I would take to a cookout, a picnic, Sunday dinner. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just look. Look at that. So we got some other stuff that we're going to have to put up. This is fabulous, guys. And guys, I tell people all the time, it's cheaper to make your stuff at home. You can save so much money. To go out to get a small, to get this size, a small servings, to get this size right here, might cost you about $15. And guess what? We're not paying $15. So we're going to add our avocados right now. Right? We're going to just put some avocados in here, guys. We're just going to do it up. Why not? The avocado was $1. Anywhere you go, you already know how much you're going to pay for avocado. We're not doing that. Right? Look at that, guys. So let's mix. Oh, boy. This looks fabulous. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to finish putting the mayonnaise. I put some, so I'm going to put a little bit, some more. Like I said, the more the mayonnaise, the better, because those noodles and mayonnaise are best friends. They play around with each other, and they will get dried out. So we're going to mix that. We're going to put a little bit of relish. Not too much. We're going to put some whipped cream. And we're putting the whipped cream just to give it a sweet taste, guys. Some people put sugar. I use whipped cream. I'm going to use yellow mustard. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some mixing. Let's just play around with it. See how they became friends? Look at them. But I'm going to tell you something. Those noodles will eat that mayonnaise alive. So put some more mayonnaise, guys. Put some more and some more and some more. And especially if you're going to let it sit for a couple of hours. Oh, they're going to merge with each other. Yes, they will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more mayonnaise. Now, guys, how much do you think? Because this is a very expensive salad here, I must tell you. It's a very expensive salad. Now, if you was to go try to buy this size salad that I'm making right here, I'm going to tell you, it would be very, very expensive. How are we going to eat it now? Do you see that? Just look at that. Just look at that. You see the shrimp, the crab, the salad, everything is on there. Let me tell you something. This one here is for you. Okay, guys. My name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. I thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you know what you have to do, so just do it.